To understand the culture, study the dance. To understand the dance, study the people.
Great advice from Chuck Davis. To understand the culture, study the dance. To understand the dance, study the people. That is the only way you will truly understand what belly dance is about and where it came from. The exact origin of the dance is debated. There is evidence throughout the Middle East of social dances at least 2 centuries ago. Also, Greek and Roman civilization have evidence of the dance. So take it upon yourself to do some digging. You can use my attached resource guide to help get you started with that. In 1893, Little Egypt performed at the Chicago's World Fair. Belly dancers appeared in movies by the early 1900s. In 1930s, dancers started performing in nightclubs. Performers started teaching in the late 1960s, early 1970s, which was responsible for the rising popularity of belly dance. American belly dance has evolved over time, the most recent, thus far, being Gothic tribal fusion, which emerged in the 1990s. The art of belly dance has been fluid and shifts and changes over time with different styles, which we will cover next.